sure. Hey, what's going on, guys? So now we've addressed some of the stiffness in the lower back, and we're gonna just try to see if we can tame that lower back stiffness now by learning how and getting a little bit better at extending our hips consistently. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna demonstrate the couch stretch here. So Annalise, what she's gonna do is she's gonna drop herself down, and the couch stretch right now, guys, I'm gonna just work on taking her through 3 different positions. With step 1 here, what Annalise is gonna do is she's gonna make sure that both knees are down, and she's gonna take and keep that right knee as close to the corner of where the ab mat is and where the box is, all right? So you're gonna go ahead and just like slide it back into that crease right there, okay? So she's gonna go ahead and advance that left knee forward a little bit, and we're gonna make sure that she is keeping and concentrating on getting her hips and getting comfortable with being able to extend her hips in this position first, okay? And so what I'm gonna ask her to do here is she already is demonstrating that she's bracing through her ribs, so she's not gonna hyperextend her lower back. She is going to go ahead and flex and contract her right glute for 5 seconds, and then she's gonna go ahead and release it after that 5, all right? So what she's gonna do here, she's really just trying to evaluate where she's gonna have this stiffness in front of her hip. So it's along with from the front of the hip all the way down to the top of the knee. Okay, so that right there, guys, that is step number 1. You're gonna take it into couch position number 2, okay? So she's gonna post up now that left leg, and she's gonna keep her left shin as vertical as she can, and then she's gonna go ahead and demonstrate the same exact thing where she's trying to make sure that she has a nice straight hip here. So shoulder is in line with the hip, and hips in line with the knee. And then she's gonna try to achieve that again by contracting the glute for 5 seconds, relaxing, and then we can repeat that again one more time, okay? So go ahead and just flex that glute for 5 seconds, trying to push that hip straight, and then go ahead and relax. All right, guys, so as she's gone through and she's worked very hard, right, to just even get and earn position number 2, now she is gonna go ahead and demonstrate position number 3. Now this takes some time. This takes a decent amount of time to get to, okay? So what she's gonna do here now, guys, is she's gonna make sure that she is maintaining a nice straight position from shoulder down to knee, bracing through her ribs here, and then I'm gonna ask her again to go ahead. Try to extend that hip, okay? Squeeze the glute for 5 seconds. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of sink that glute closer to that heel again. Come a little bit closer there, all right? One more time, go ahead and contract that glute, 5 seconds. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. All right, excellent, okay? Guys, getting to position number 3 is gonna take some time, so just give yourself, be patient with the stretch and just make sure that you earn each progression as you go through. Thanks for watching.